Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you this wonderful, delicious chicken and dumpling slow cooker recipe. I found this recipe originally on the Magic Slow Cooker and I absolutely love that channel. You guys should totally go check it out. First step, I just started out with putting my chicken at the bottom of the dish. I'm using chicken thighs this time. You can use chicken breasts. Chicken thighs are a little bit more fatty, but they do have more flavor. I already went ahead and removed as much of the residual fat as I could, and then cut these up into smaller squares and just place them at the very bottom of this pot. So now you're going to want to add on top of your chicken some diced onions and some peeled and sliced carrots. And if you happen to have any celery on hand, now would be a good time to add that as well. Alright, so now we're going to put our lid on, make sure it's plugged in, make sure that the temperature is on high, and you want this to cook for 4 hours. You can put it on low for 8 hours if you prefer. Be sure to come back and check on it 30 minutes before it's finished, because that is when you're going to add your dumplings on top. And they're going to basically finish cooking with the rest of everything for another 30 minutes. Okay, now that we have about 30 minutes left of cooking time, we're going to go ahead and grab our Pillsbury biscuits. Okay, now we're going to cover this up and let it continue cooking for another 30 minutes, and the dumplings should be completely finished. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you want to see more recipes, go ahead and like this video and subscribe, and I will see you later.